Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about else with while loops. So in the previous videos we have used this else with if statements, but also we can use this else with while loops. To understand this, focus on this question. Here it says write a program to small guessing game. Player should have 3 chances to guess the number, and if player fail to guess the number, display you fail, try again. If player guess the correct number, guessing process should stop. When we are trying to implement a program for this scenario, we will meet two new things. First one is break keyword. The other one is this else part. Here is how we are using else with while loops. Here you can see we have used this break keyword. Basically, we use this break keyword for jump out from the loop. Then the else part. The main thing is after all iterations, interpreter will always go inside to this else block unless loop has not broken. So now let's implement a program for previous scenario using this new knowledge. Now I'm going to open up my Visual Studio. Here I am inside my project directory and let's create a new file. Let's call this while underscore else then .py extension. Here I am inside my project directory. Now let's implement our guessing game. First, let's explain our program. I put guessing game. Then new line character. Then let's say to the user guess number between 1 to 9. Here I put again new line character. Then I am going to generate my secret number and hold it inside a variable. Let's call this variable secret underscore number. Then I am going to generate random integer using this randint function. We need to pass two arguments for this function, which is range. So I put 1 to 9 as the range. So this function will generate integer between 1 to 9, and this integer will be random value. So then we should put a while loop here. Before the while loop, we should create a new variable called I and assign 1 to this variable. I create this variable for while loop. So I am going to put while loop here. Inside this condition, I put like this: I less than or equals to 3, because we need to iterate 3 times, because our condition is we need to give 3 chances to our player. Then we need to give chance to guess a number for the user. So I am going to create a new variable called guess number, and then I store value which will player provide. So I am going to ask a input from the player. Here I put guess the number. Let's say guess number. Semicolon, colon, space. Then we need to check whether guess number is equal to secret number or not. To do that, I am going to use if statement. Here I put as the condition secret number is equals to guess number. Then inside this if block, which means the player has guessed the secret number successfully, then there is no need to give further chances and we need to stop the progress. To do that, we need to use break keyword. Before break keyword, we need to print user has won. Print you won. Then outside this if statement, we should increase our I variables value by 1 in each iteration. Then the important part. After 3 iterations, which is player is unable to guess the secret number, then we need to say to the player try again. So implement this scenario, I am going to put the else keyword. Inside this else block, we can print try again. Also in this case, which is player is unable to guess the secret number, we should print the what is the secret number. Here I am going to print formatted string, then secret number is, then inside 2 curly bracket I am going to put the secret number variable. Here I forget one thing, we need to convert this string value to integer value using int function. I am going to put this input function inside int function. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, let's make a guess. This is not the secret number. Again guess. Also this is not the guessing number. Okay, the secret number is 7 and I lost. Then let's delete this terminal and let's run this program again. This time let's try to make a correct guess. 2, 8, 3. Okay, again I lost. Again let's run this program again. 4, 3. Okay, this time I able to make a correct guess. So this is how the guessing game is work. So this is for this video guys. Let's meet on next video.